Cookery Grade 9, First Quarter. Lesson 2, Learning Outcome Number 1. Our topic is Prepare Appetizers. We will discuss about the history of appetizer. Appetizers were originally introduced by the Athenians as a buffet in the early 3rd century BC. They would serve sea urchins, cockles, sturgeons, and garlic. However, they were unpopular to start as these tiny meals weren't followed up with a main course, leaving everyone hungry and wanting more. It wasn't until the 19th century that appetizers truly caught on as meals evolved into a more structured ordeal. Aperitifs came about by the Romans and were classified as liquid appetizer that typically contained alcohol. In addition to inciting hunger like food appetizers, the purpose for aperitifs were also meant to help with the imminent digestion process. Aperitifs drinks would be shared from a single glass and passed around the table to all members of eating party. Aperitifs are still utilized today, typically with the company of food appetizers. The word appetizer itself, as being used in America and England in 1860s, is more local flavor than hors d'oeuvre. For a time, appetizers are served between the main course and dessert as a refresher. But by the 20th century, they had taken their place as a precursor to the main course. On the other hand, it is said that appetizers are the dishes that can truly be considered Filipino because we are best known for using our hands to eat the small finger foods that come with the first course. Appetizers can include anything from fish to meat, nuts, and chips. They are often served before dinner or at large family lunches. Sa amin sa Pilipinas, finger food ang tawag dyan. Here are some examples of a very creative appetizers. Cookery Grade 9, First Quarter. Lesson 2, Learning Outcome Number 1. Our topic is Prepare Appetizers. Who introduced appetizers in early 3rd century BC? The Athenians are the one who introduced appetizers in early 3rd century BC. What kind of appetizers they serve? They would serve sea urchins, cockles, sturgeons, and garlic. What does the Roman Empire's first appetizers? They were known for liquid appetizers, which is called aperitifs. What is the content of aperitifs and what its purpose? Aperitifs has alcohol content. It adds inciting hunger to a person. It also helps imminent digestion process. What does the Americans and England people tells about appetizers? Rather than they say hors d'oeuvre or hors d'oeuvre, they would prefer to use the word appetizers. When did they serve the appetizers? It is served between the main course and dessert as a refresher. When does the appetizer become a precursor to the main course? By the 20th century, the appetizer had taken its place as a precursor to the main course. This is Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.